I am at Lake Martin in lower Alabama, south Alabama, and it is a beautiful morning, and I'm going to be sketching this pretty scene with all these pretty puffy white clouds, and the boaters are already out. So I am using a this pen. It is a felt tip, and it's kind of a sepia, and I have just started my sketch of this scene. So I'm looking at the triangles made, the triangle here, and a little bit of a flattened out area over there, and hopefully I have started out my sketch with that, and I'm just going to lay in some outlines with the brown felt tip pen and then take it from there. So when you are drawing and sketching and painting, you want to remember the famous words, edit, edit, edit. So as I investigate this in the distance, I am editing what I'm going to draw, because this is kind of a quick sketch, quick little study. I'm editing down to this. Gonna concentrate on that tree on the left, and some of those trees that you see right here. There you go, and the little rocks, and the walkway over to the dock. And I'm leaving out the dock in the distance, this one. I am leaving that one out and just doing this front one. There you go. I'm sitting on the ground, and having done that much, now I'm going to use these Woodless Color Pencils, and I'm just going to kind of scumble in just a little color for my color notes on this little sketch. So I have used these three greens and put a little color here. So we have some water skiing folks out here, and I am just kind of getting finished up here. And so this is my sketch, and I have had a wonderful time out here this morning creating, I hope, a joyous atmosphere of this pretty day in May at Lake Martin. And so hope you've had fun with me. You know, when you're painting, drawing, sketching, you are always after getting the atmosphere of a place. So you can see that there are not those oranges in my vista, but to me the happiness and the joy of the day is just better stated by adding some of those happy colors. So glad you've been with me. Bye now.